Hello users, today we will be learning how to enter a new booking on the new caakwan apps. So once you have logged in on apps.caakwan.com with your username and password, you see the following landing page. Over here, for a new booking, click on the booking button which is on the right top. A new form will be loaded for entering your booking details. Here we need to have a name to the booking title. For example, your deal details are Ranbir Kapoor for askme.com deal. The vertical will be selected on the basis of which the verticals has been allotted to you. For example, if you fall under sales vertical, you will only be able to see sales vertical. And in case you have been given access to multiple verticals, you can select for which vertical this particular deal has to be booked for. So for example, we take into sales. I have the booking date as say 15th of January. Deal closed by. In this section you can enter, for example, you are entering a deal which is closed by your colleague, so you can write his name. In case the deal has been closed by yourself, just select your name and enter. So once it has been entered, you will be seeing a semicolon over here which shows that your name has been entered. This is the major part of the system where we need to define whether the deal is a two-party deal or a tri-party deal. How do we differentiate between a two-party and a tri-party? For example, a two-party deal is a deal where you will be billing to the talent and you will be paying to your agent. For example, there is a deal for Ranbir Kapoor on which there is a direct billing where Ranbir Kapoor has closed the deal from askme.com, but Ranbir will be paying you. So in this case you need to select two-party deal. So here we select two-party deal. Billing type, that is dynamic. So in two-party deal, maximum of your deals will be like a fixed deals. Now I define my deal description. Deal description is the section where you need to define how the deal has been defined by the talent and the client. For example, Ranbir will be working for 2 days in every 3 months, that is in every quarter, for 1 year. Here you need to select your talent name, that is Ranbir. Select his gross amount, that is his payment type which will be billed to talent, the amount for which the billing has been done. For example, the total deal value is say 50 lakhs. There is a service tax attached to it. And the final column is the commitment column. Commitment column is where there is any advances which needs to be paid at the time of signing of the contract, which is the commitment amount, which is say 5 lakh rupees, 10% of the deal. In this particular case, for example, we have an agent called Blink Entertainment Solutions. So you will need to pay to agent. So on 50 lakh, for example, Kwan needs to pay say 25 lakh rupees. Again, it has a service tax, and here there is no commitment amount. So you will be paying as and when you receive the amount, but you are not going to pay any advances to the agent. How the deal has been defined and which currency? So we have the options. So this is in Indian rupees. Employee remark. So this is a section where you need to give any remark to this particular deal, any information which is an optional point. On the service details columns, you need to write how the services has been given to the client. For example, there will be an ad shoot every quarter for 2 days. This is purely a column which is for your internal reference purpose. Now in case in fixed deal type we have an increment date. For example, if this deal would have been defined for 2 years and we have a clause where we can increment the deal after completion of the year and by how much percentage. So in such cases, so we just modify the deal over here. We'll write here 2 year, it's correct, and now I give a increment date that is of 15th of January 2016, and the deal will be incremented by say 15%. So I just write over here, so automatically from next year onwards this deal will be 50 lakhs plus 15%, that will be totally 57 lakhs 50,000 rupees, and I save the deal. The columns which are star marked are mandatory on your booking form, so kindly make sure you enter all the mandatory details in the deal. So once your deal has been booked, once you press enter, you will be able to see on your dashboard. Now a new deal has been created in the system. The deal has been closed by your name Purti, and the details of the deals are over here. Now in case you want to see the details of the deal, you can just click on the deal number. It will take you to the landing page of the deal where it showcases the complete details of the deal. Here the user needs to be very sure to see each and every details of the deal so that it can be pushed to your HOD for approval. Currently it is not went for an approval to your HOD, but you can see the details. So for example, I have the deal number, booking title, who is my vertical HOD, Sanjeev Masters, it has been closed by Purti. The deal description is over here. The current status, it is just booked, it has not been sent for approval. The deal type, deal details, the dates on which the deal has been created. There was no client, so there is no details on the client. There is just talent details, so 50 lakh billed to talent. So service tax has been automatically calculated, so the net amount is this. You need to pay to the agent the amount including service tax. So all the details and all your milestones has been created. The difference between fixed and dynamic is your outer dates get captured. So when we targeted that, initially there was a commitment amount, so we have got the first section of 5 lakh rupees for the commitment amount and what needs to be paid to whom, and in such cases what are caakwan's margins. So from next deal onwards we have a agent payout, so the system calculates the actual agent payout at the same time, and here you can see what all are the deal details. Here specifically you see from say 1st of Jan 2016 the deal has been incremented, so automatically the value of the deal also has been incremented in the same manner. So here at the bottom of the page you will be able to see the revenues, the talent payouts, other payouts are the current existing other payouts like your agent payouts, and the net commissions what caakwan is going to generate during this complete deal. So here you can see the complete details of the deal. Now we go back to the previous page, that is your dashboard. I select over here and I send it for approval. So once I send it for approval, this particular deal will go to my HOD for approval, and the status of the deal will be changed from booked to HOD approval, as you can see it over here. Now once your HOD approves this particular deal, you will be able to see this particular deal, that is deal number 397, in your approved deals section. This is how we enter a booking deal in the system. Thank you very much.